Daily Dose of Football. You might think this is just some random channel, but it's not. If I show you its earnings, this month alone, it has made over $8,000 in 30 days. And if we talk about their content, they make documentary videos on the journeys and lifestyles of football players. They write some catchy text on the thumbnails and put such faces on them that you just have to click when you see it. And you probably already know that football or soccer is one of the most popular games in the world, and it has fans everywhere. So basically, you're guaranteed to get views on this. It's confirmed, 100% guaranteed, and you can see for yourself. Bro, they're getting millions of views, millions. And just imagine how much they're earning. So far, this guy has earned more than 140,000 from this channel, and that's just what's shown. As far as I think, he's actually made even more than that. I can guarantee you that. I mean, you can estimate it yourself. The guy has earned more than 150,000. You can tell that the channel is old, but even now, videos of this type still get a lot of views. 75,000 views in 16 hours. I mean, that's something. So in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to tell you about. How you can duplicate this channel step by step. I'm going to explain the entire process from creating the channel to making the full video. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part, otherwise you won't be able to understand it later. And then let me know. So let's move ahead. First of all, go to ChatGPT, and here you need to get a name suggested for yourself, meaning you need to create a name that you will use for your channel. So here I've selected a name called Gold Series, and along with that, I've also created a description. You can create the same thing by looking at this. This isn't a big deal at all. And after that, I also got a logo made. Basically, I created a computer-generated logo using Leonardo so that I could make a logo for my channel. And then I simply got some keywords generated as well, which I am going to use in my channel settings. So you all should do all of this too. After this, you all need to go to Leonardo AI. So look, on Leonardo AI, you simply have to paste that prompt, and after pasting it, you have to select them one by one here, and you can't really do anything else. It's the free version. The rest you all can see for yourselves, bro. Just look at how amazing the very first image Leonardo AI has created is. I've already saved it, and now you just need to go to your channel. Look, here you have to upload your logo. Here, you just need to enter the channel name. I've entered it, and here, your username. Now, if someone has already taken your username, meaning you can't get that username on book, then just pick something else. After that, you need to enter your description here, and if you want, you can add your email here as well, but for now, it's fine. Next, you need to click on this setting, and here you need to set up the most important settings. So look, you need to click on this channel, and here for country of residence, I suggest you can set it now or later. It's not really necessary at this point. When your channel gets monetized and you're about to apply, then do it. And you simply need to paste that keyword here, like see, you can copy it from here and just paste it here. Everything will be pasted. Then you need to go to advanced settings, and here select no, this channel is not made for kids. Select that. After that, if you want, you can remove the allow others to use your content option so that no one else can use your videos. Then look here at feature eligibility. For this, you need to verify your phone number. Only then will you be able to use certain features and upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So you really have to do this. Otherwise, you won't be able to do much. After that, go to Upload Defaults. Here, you need to set the visibility to public. In Advanced Settings, select the category, set the video language to English, and the title and description in English. If you want, you can enable show how many viewers like this video, but I suggest you don't, because sometimes viewers leave, and if your video has fewer likes, it doesn't look good. After doing all this, your channel will be fully set up. Just click and your channel will be all set. Now all you need to do is upload a video. So let's go and make a video. Now you need to create a script and a skit for your video. I already made a great one, so those who haven't, don't worry, no need to stress. Just write Cristiano Ronaldo here, or you can put in the name of any player you want to make a video about and then send it. Our advanced GPT will meticulously create the comprehensive script for this entire video. I've made a truly great and highly effective prompt, so you absolutely don't need to worry at all. It'll work perfectly and flawlessly. It's already made a detailed script for a 78-minute video, and if you desire, you can easily make it even longer. If you wish, you can also have GPT intelligently adjust the length as precisely needed. Now, to proceed with making the actual video, just simply copy the generated script and then come over to 11 Labs. So, please come to 11 Labs and you can effortlessly create your high-quality audio here. It's super easy and incredibly straightforward with absolutely nothing complicated involved. Now, the most critically important thing is selecting the perfect voice for your video. Based on your specific script and the overall style of your video, you truly need to select the ideal and perfect voice. Just click on the filter option, and right here you need to carefully select English. You can simply and easily do that, so now we've successfully got English selected. And if you specifically want a particular accent, you can certainly choose that too. Now, the precise category we truly need is informative narrative story. That particular category will be absolutely perfect and highly suitable. For the voice gender, please select male middle-aged. You can, of course, choose whatever perfectly fits your unique needs and preferences. I've selected according to my personal preference. Now, let's carefully see which voice sounds the absolute best and most appealing. So just select whichever voice you personally like the most. First, pay close attention to the various voices available. For example, this one, Milo. His voice is very relaxed, calm, and incredibly pleasant, and I really like it, so I'll definitely add it. It's now successfully added to my voices, and now our chosen voice is officially added. Simply click on P, and right here, you need to carefully select the voice, Milo. And as for your model seating, you should always keep it reset. This is usually best in its default setting, ensuring optimal performance and a consistent starting point for all your projects. And simply, the script that you have meticulously created, you just need to carefully copy it and then precisely paste it. Look, I'm just showing you this process very simply and clearly. You need to copy it exactly like this, making sure to capture all the text. And as soon as you have successfully copied it, you then need to immediately go back to 11 Labs and simply paste it right here into the designated text box. And you can clearly see right now within 3,000 words, meaning more accurately within 5,000 words, you can very easily and efficiently create this high quality voiceover. And if you ever want to increase or even decrease the length of the generated audio, you can certainly do that too, offering great flexibility. For example, I'm showing you this entire process by actually making it right now, and you then have to click on the Generate Speech button, and this action will promptly generate your 11 Labs voiceover ready for use. And you can see the voiceover that is produced is approximately 4 minutes long, and as you meticulously edit it, you can make it either shorter or even significantly longer, depending on your specific requirements. And the longer videos are often very beneficial and tend to perform well. People really seem to like and engage with longer videos, especially when the content is compelling. But if you can manage to get a lot of views on this particular video, then bro, this video will undoubtedly be trending and gain immense popularity, meaning even shorter videos can sometimes get a surprisingly large number of views if they are engaging enough. So you simply have to get the voiceover generated and then proceed to download it to your device. After this crucial step, we'll move on to the next exciting phase, editing. For the editing process, you'll mostly use various football clips and specifically clips featuring Ronaldo. Our voiceover is about 42 seconds long, so just download it without delay. Now, let's move on to the very next important step, the editing process itself. So our voiceover is now completely ready. Now we just need to carefully and creatively edit it, and before we begin the actual editing, we'll definitely need a lot of supplementary material and high quality photo images. Remember, you can easily get these valuable resources from platforms like Pinterest or many other excellent free websites that offer a wide range of visual content. There are numerous sites readily available that provide high-quality 4K videos for free, and you can quite easily download them. Otherwise, you can download videos through screen recording, and there are many other viable options as well. So I'm doing the editing process, and look, you really don't have to do very much at all. First, carefully check the voiceover. Wherever there's a noticeable pause after a sentence in the voice, just precisely cut that particular part out. Other than that, you don't really need to do much with the voiceover itself, which is quite convenient. So as you can see, there's been a lot of talking, so let's quickly edit the video. For editing, I'm going to use Clipchamp, or the one that's already installed in Windows. You can use any other app you prefer, whatever works for you. So let's get to editing now. I won't talk much during this part. You guys watch my editing process, and by watching this, you can easily edit your own videos too. Just make sure to watch the video carefully. And if you're still watching, go ahead and like and subscribe, because your brother will keep bringing you such awesome videos and sharing new tips. So pay close attention. Friends, my editing is now complete, and after thinking it through carefully, I realized this is a documentary style video, a story about Cristiano Ronaldo. So the viewers who come to watch this, for them, editing matters, but the main thing our editing should have is a strong voiceover. Our voiceover should be so good that any viewer who comes by is compelled to stay, and we should make the intro at least 30 seconds long so viewers feel there's something special in the video. For the intro, I added 3 to 4 clips, making it about 30 seconds long, pulling some from here and there. You can do the same. After that, my entire video has captions. Let me play the video for you so you can see how it turned out.
They said he was too emotional, too ambitious for a boy from a tiny island. They told him dreams like his were impossible, but he never listened. Because deep down, Cristiano Ronaldo knew he wasn't born to blend in. He was born to become a legend. This is not just the story of a footballer. This is the story of a fighter, a dreamer, a man who refused to give up. This is the story of Cristiano Ronaldo. He was born on February 5th, 1985, on the small island of Madeira, Portugal, a place far away from the bright lights of fame. His father worked as a kit man at a local club. His mother was a cook. Money was scarce, but dreams were endless. As a kid, Ronaldo would spend hours kicking a worn-out ball on the narrow streets of Madeira, sometimes skipping meals, sometimes skipping school, but never skipping training. They called him Crybaby because every time he lost, he cried. But that emotion, that fire, was the first sign of greatness. At just 12 years old, Cristiano left his family and flew to Lisbon, alone, to chase a dream bigger than himself. He joined Sporting CP's academy where life hit hard. He was homesick, bullied for his accent. He cried himself to sleep some nights, but every tear fueled his hunger. While others rested, he trained. While others doubted, he believed. At 16, he debuted for Sporting's first team, and one magical night against Manchester United, everything changed. His speed, skill, and hunger impressed Sir Alex Ferguson, and just days later, the world would witness the beginning of something historic. Manchester United, 2003. A young, skinny teenager with dazzling footwork and an unshakable belief walked into Old Trafford. At first, critics called him flashy, arrogant, but Ronaldo turned every criticism into motivation. Under Sir Alex Ferguson, he transformed from a promising winger to a complete footballer. He trained harder than anyone. He stayed longer after practice. He obsessed over every detail. In 2008, he won his first Ballon d'Or, the Champions League, and the hearts of millions. But that was only the beginning, because true greatness doesn't stop at success. It keeps climbing higher. Fame came with a price. The pressure, the criticism, the controversies, they followed him everywhere. He was booed, mocked, doubted, but every time they tried to break him, he rose stronger. Injuries tested his body. Loss tested his heart. But Ronaldo's mindset never wavered. He once said, "Talent without work is nothing." And that belief carried him through every storm, from Manchester to Madrid, from Juventus to Saudi Arabia. Every step, another chapter in the story of a man obsessed with perfection. 5 Ballon d'Ors, 5 Champions League titles, over 800 career goals, records shattered, limits redefined. But beyond the numbers, there's a deeper story. A boy who turned pain into power, a man who inspired generations to dream bigger. Cristiano Ronaldo's legacy is not just written in goals or trophies. It's written in his discipline, his belief, and his refusal to give up. From a small island boy to a global icon, he showed the world that greatness isn't given. It's earned, day by day, hour by hour, kick by kick. They told him he'd never make it, but he proved them wrong, not once, not twice, but every single day. Because legends aren't born, they're made.
So, how did you like the video? In my opinion, if you do it this way, you'll be able to upload videos daily and you'll have more chances for success. To go viral, you just need to pay a little attention to the title, and if you want to improve anything, you can do that too. Otherwise, I'd say this is already really good. So, let me know how you like the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to do all this. See you next time.